Spiders here, I think.
Okay. Make my way across the road.
Somebody's really close to me.
Around the logs?
Yep.
Alright, I pull my gun out.
Got him. I didn't want to let them know I had an Avtomat just yet.
Yep.
Luckily he went down in one shot.
HS him.
He must have had low health because it only took a body shot.
Yeah, right.
Yes, I'm pretty sure I shot him in the body.
Where was it? Oh, that's him there.
Over there.
Oh, okay, fair. Rifle out there. Loot this fucking clown. Fuck all money.
Pretty sure there's more than just him here.
Yep. It says white flashing icon means there's no enemy hunters close to the target. And there was the white flashing icon, so
Okay.
I think we might be right.
Maybe killed them?
Yeah.
How you doing?
That was me closing the gate.
Are they shooting at you?
No. No, they're not. But I closed the gate because I feared they, you know. Alright, so they're pretty much north. Where the past the lumber yards we were just in.
Yep, yep. Can you get a good shot on that guy? Oh, you got the other guy.
Yeah, I shot the other guy.
Fucking nice, man. That was so synchronized. We didn't even mean to.
I know. Alright.
Dude, that was fucking awesome.
No, well, thanks for pinging. I didn't shoot. I don't think I shot the guy you pinged, but it just.
Oh, I got the guy I pinned. You got the
Yeah.
other guy. I didn't even see the other guy.
Yeah, I got him in. There was no chance they could have got me. When you come down here, I'll show you how I shot him because it was kind of fucked. It was just right underneath the gate. I had a line underneath the gate.
Oh yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah.
Just don't know if we're the only ones here still.
So his body's still there. Yeah, I just got the white thing. I'm gonna go loot him. Fuck, he died just. Oh my god, it's fucked. All three bodies right next to this guy, pretty much.
Yes. I'll keep you covered while you take a look.
Winfield, fucking shit. That's about it. Coldwell packs. I'll loot his body, please. Don't want to swap shit. It's annoying that when the guns are right on the player and you need to fucking find a spot where you're aiming at the player, not the guns. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, dude. Wow. Not bad. Not bad. Good
Very
night.
good.